Hi everyone, Paul Maruff from Cogstate here. I want to just alert you to data that we've published recently seeking to understand the relationship between biomarkers of Alzheimer's disease and performance on the Cogstate brief battery. As you probably know, the Cogstate brief battery is used commonly in clinical practice now to identify cognitive impairment that may be indicative of Alzheimer's disease when the disease is still early. At the same time, of course, we continue to do research, and the poster that we presented summarizes information from a study where we were able to show relationships between biomarkers of Alzheimer's disease, in particular total tau, tau 181, and neurofilament light chain detected from CSF sampling, and poorer performance, subtle abnormalities of performance on the Cogstate brief battery, and in particular the learning working memory index of the brief battery, in people who are aged 50 through 65. So in very middle-aged people, very young people actually, in the context of Alzheimer's disease, but middle-aged, these relationships were strong, statistically significant, and they do provide for us now a basis to start to understand the absolute genesis of this disease, when it begins and how it manifests. So we're quite excited by this finding, and of course we'll continue to broadcast and publish this in other forums, but I think it's useful to start to see and understand the way in which we're thinking and how these tests can be illustrative or indicative of the disease very early in its course.